Hi everyone. If you have got your JBL 5.1 soundbar and you want to set it up the right way, then this guide is going to help you get the best sound quality with proper connections. So first of all, you need to use the HDMI cable and then you need to connect it to the HDMI ARC port on your TV. Then you need to connect the other end to the HDMI ARC port on the soundbar. After that, simply go to your TV settings, set the audio output to the HDMI ARC or external speaker. This is going to give you best quality and control using your TV remote. Now, if your TV doesn't support ARC, you can use optical instead, but HDMI is recommended. Now you just have to power on the soundbar and the wireless subwoofer. In most of the cases, the subwoofer connects automatically, but if it doesn't, you just have to press the pair button on the subwoofer and follow the pairing process. Once connected, you will get deeper bass and surround effect. Next, for wireless playback, simply press the Bluetooth button on the soundbar, then go to the phone or the TV's Bluetooth setting, then connect it to the soundbar. This is also useful for streaming music directly. Finally, you can use the remote in order to adjust the bass, the volume, and the sound modes. You can also switch between the modes like movies or music depending on what you are watching. So this is going to help you get the best listening experience. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.